Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into WHOP app review. So to get started with a quick overview, WHOP is an all-in-one design marketplace and community platform designed to help creators, entrepreneurs, and digital product sellers monetize their offering. Whether you are selling online courses, SaaS tools, or trending signals, or trade signals, or access a private community, will provide a streamlined solution for hosting, selling, and managing digital products. The platform supports both the web, mobile access, even on iOS and Android, offering a centralized hub for creators and a buyer alike. And here's a quick review about this trend. WHOP charge at a flat 3% free transaction with a no monthly subscription cost. This pay you as you earn model make it accessible for newcomers and is scalable for high volume sellers. The platform integrates with a Stream and PayPal for seamless payment processing. Additionally, it offers a Zipper support with APIs and webhook, allowing the automation and integration with other tools. Also, WHOP's modular design lets creators add a various apps such as courses, chat giveaways, suggestions. It also helps customize their community experience, and this flexibility supports diverse business model. And here's a quick review about the weakness part of the platform. So one of the weakness of this platform is it has an inconsistent app performance, the variable seller quality, and a limited buyer protection, together with a steep learning curve for beginners. And here's the bottom line. WHOP offer a robust platform for creators and entrepreneurs to monetize digital product and community, boosting a creators-friendly fee structure and a suite of integrated tools. Its modular design and marketing features provide a flexibility and a scalability for various business models. However, potential users should be mindful of the platform ecosystem, which is the performance and the variable seller quality. For those willing to navigate these challenges, we present a compelling option for digital monetization.